Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Kia Sedona, and on this Kia Sedona we're going to go over how you would add or check and if you needed to add power steering fluid. So this is your power steering fluid reservoir right here. We have a mark here, one that would be hot and one that's cold. So we're actually in the good range right now where we need it to be. And so, but if you were low and say you're getting the whining noise when you turn the steering wheel because your power steering pump is wanting fluid and you don't have enough, then you would remove this cap and pour your power steering fluid in here, fill it up to the level here, the cold level if you've had it cool, or the hot so you have some expansion, and then just put the cap back on and replace that. Now if it's going low, of course you would be checking these power steering lines and you would be seeing, why is my power steering leaking, or why does it keep going down? And then you would want to address that if you need to put new hoses on it or whatnot, so that you don't constantly need to add power steering fluid. So that's how you would add power steering fluid to your Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.